According to the head of the Prison Officers Association, Saron Richards, the maximum security prison has been without an alarm system since 2012. Mr. Richards explained daily officers show up for duty but are gravely concerned about their safety as they are aware of the volatile environment which is the prison system. He said they have managed for the past few years without the necessary alarm system, but insists it's a risk they continue to take. He said the absence of a functioning alarm puts the lives of both prison officers and inmates in grave danger.
Inmates can die, officers can die. Officers are often complaining on a daily basis that their lives and limbs are compromised in such a situation where they cannot raise an alarm.
Mr. Richards said he understands a contract has been signed off and the go-ahead given for a new alarm system to be installed. The Prison Association head said to date, things remain the same and prison officers continue to work under unsafe conditions. Mr. Richards added a functioning alarm system will afford prison officers the opportunity to alert others if an emergency arises.
The alarm system that we speak about is an alarm system that will alert all prison officers that an area is experiencing some sort of security breach so that they could equally respond to help their colleagues in saving the lives of inmates and also saving the lives of prison officers. And
TTT News contacted the acting commissioner of the Trinidad and Tobago Prison Service, Mr. Dennis Pulchan, who said arrangements are being made for the matter to be rectified soon.
I can tell you currently there's no alarm system at the maximum security prison. That's a work in progress that is taking place right now. I think there are arrangements being made by government agencies to have it installed in a short time. But so far there's none.
Crystal Wilson, TTT News.